Welcome to the Crimson Tide Connection, your source for Crimson Tide sports. I'm joined today by the head coach of the Alabama volleyball team, Ed Allen. Coach, thanks for joining us.
You bet, Chris.
Coach, you had a great weekend. Another Hampton Inn Bama Bash tournament victory gives the Tide 4 straight tournament titles dating back to the 2010 season. What are your thoughts about the performance of your team from this past weekend and what you saw from the tournament?
Well, you know, it's nice that we're getting Sierra, our starting setter, back into the mix on a regular basis and trying to adjust there and create a little bit of tempo and flow that has been lacking really in the first 3 weeks. And we certainly have seen some progress there. We've seen balance offensively, with 3 players that are putting up 3+ kills per set, which is nice to be able to have. And I think we're seeing a team that's growing competitively, which I think they're starting to understand what it takes night in and night out to be successful.
Well, Coach, how important is it for this team to be able to win matches early and develop confidence heading in probably to your toughest portion of the season as the SEC schedule starts?
Yeah, it's really important. I think more importantly, as we look towards this coming weekend, the 3 teams that will play at Clemson will do a great job, I think, of preparing us for SEC play. And then as you look through the month of October, Chris, we haven't been blessed with an easy schedule to begin SEC play with, but I guess baptism by fire.
Right. Well, Coach, as we said, you're getting impressive numbers from the middle blocker position as Crystal Rivers and Catherine White have combined to average 5.1 kills per set and a .415 hitting percentage. How important is it to get this type of production from that position, and what does that do for the other hitters on the court?
Yeah, it certainly opens up the pens when you have that kind of productivity in the middle, and this is the first year in the 3 that we've been here that we've had that kind of offense out of the middle, and it does. I think it's reflective of some of the high hitting numbers that Laura Steiner and Brittany have been able to put up, and we're excited about where they're going to continue to develop as freshmen and sophomores. I mean, the nice thing as you look across the roster, Chris, is we're putting freshmen and sophomores on the floor. And so, the positive of that is they have a tremendous amount of growth that can take place over the course of the year. The negative is you're not sure what you're getting from time to time.
Right. Well, Coach, as we said, not knowing what you're going to get, this is the last weekend before SEC play starts. What does this team need to do to get ready for conference play?
Well, I think, one of the things that we've been working very hard on in the first 4 weeks of the season is just a level of consistency and trying to manage some of the runs that take place by teams. I think that's probably the biggest Achilles we have right now, and we're too good of a team offensively for that to happen. If anything, we ought to get into a mode of exchanging points and have to get more towards that and eliminating some of the 4- and 5-point runs that teams have been able to do.
Well, Coach, as we said, this is the last weekend before SEC play starts. And as you mentioned earlier, you head to South Carolina to compete in the Clemson Classic. You'll take on Clemson, Delaware, and Troy. What type of challenge does this face for you this upcoming weekend?
Well, I think, all 3 teams that, have had a successful start this season, and, you have to understand, being the marquee match on Friday at Clemson, that they're going to bring probably their best emotional effort, and if they physically match that, that should be a great challenge for us, and we're looking forward to that. And then a Delaware team that's been in the NCAA tournament I don't know how many consecutive years, does a great job of winning that league that they're in. And to turn around and play them the first match on Saturday, I think is going to create quite a mental challenge for our players.
Well, Coach, you will open up the Clemson Classic Friday night against Clemson before playing Delaware and Troy on Saturday. Coach, good luck this weekend in South Carolina.
You bet. Thanks, Chris.
Yes, sir. For head coach Ed Allen, I'm Christopher England, and that's it for this edition of the Crimson Tide Connection.